the wilds today. First thing we gotta do is sign in. Beautiful day. So another alternative to stay in healthy and fit is go to a place and walk around nature. So when I was young, the first picture I remember drawing was a picture of a giraffe. So here we are at one of the beautiful art pieces at the Wilds. I'd like to just give a shout out to the artist James Delaney, who made some of this amazing art, and he's also been prolific in bringing people together to form this community. You can check out the Wilds Facebook page. Thank you to everyone that takes care of this beautiful place to make sure that we've got more love and beauty for the generations to come. Let's go. This artwork, guys. How beautiful. Just giraffes. I mean, isn't that amazing? It's all about the little things. Corner. Jock's view. Taking it all the way to the top, y'all. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. So here we are, we made it to the top. If you take a look over here, we've got the sign of all the different places from Ndinda, Gauteng, Jozi, to point to different directions. We're at the tippity top right now. Now we got the sundial over here. Check it out, it says, I only count the sunny hours. And so what I gotta say to you guys, may you be blessed with many, many sunny hours outside and most of all, internally. God bless you. Since I was a kid, my favorite hobby was to climb trees. This one has to go down in the pictures as to one of the most amazing trees I've come across. You feel the energy, the years that she's been around.